Hey everybody, it's Nate and Steph from Explorers.live. We teach people how to build DIY camper vans, and in this video, we're going to introduce to you our new DIY camper project for this winter.
It's been about 2.5 years since we finished up our DIY camper van build, and we are really itching for a new project. Since we're not living on the road anymore and we have a space to build something new, this is the perfect time to get this going.
Now, what is the goal of this project? The goal of this project is going to be focused around these main ideas.
This camper will be versatile and modular with the ability to easily change setups based on what we need for any given adventure.
It needs to be small and agile, as we're not going to need to live in it 24/7, 365.
It needs to be comfortable, as we may ask it to travel down 100 miles of dirt roads and 1,000 miles of interstate all on the same trip.
It needs to be off-road capable, as we now live in Colorado and local driving conditions are rapidly changing and are highly weather dependent.
Introducing the DIY Crosstrek camper build. We'll be using this car as a daily driver that can be easily set up for 2-week-long trips at a moment's notice. Here are some of the projects you'll be seeing in the coming weeks on this channel, starting with the outside.
Installing a 2-inch lift kit, upgrading to bigger snow tires for the winter and bigger, more aggressive all-terrains for the summer, installing a cargo rack for ski carriers, bike carriers, or even a rooftop tent, upgraded headlights, fog lights, light bars, perimeter lighting, and backup lights.
Heading into the inside, we're going to be building a custom cargo platform with attachment points for gear, a refrigerator, storage, sleeping space, a pull-out kitchen, and an electrical setup. We're going to make this all modular and easy to remove so that we can haul friends around if they come into town, and so we don't have to haul all that stuff around while we aren't on an adventure.
So that's a rough project plan for now and should keep us all entertained for the rest of this winter and into the spring. But we want to hear your ideas. What projects do you want to see us tackle in this DIY Crosstrek camper? Drop your ideas in the comments below and we'll see how we can make it happen.
Okay, I think that adequately introduces this new project we're going to tackle here on our channel. We truly love building stuff and are pretty excited to get this one rolling. If you're new here and want to keep up with the rest of the builds, be sure to subscribe, and we have some work to do, so we will see you in the next video.
So now that we got that in place, we are going to reassemble these bolts here.
What did you do? Just throw a nut at it? We're gonna put these fucking nuts somewhere over here.
Somewhere over
here. We're gonna throw them at them and fucking hope for the best.